Replacing the Sun with other stars. Sun. Diameter is 1,391,000 km. Solar radii is 1. 2 mass J0523. Diameter is 12,500 km. Solar radii is 0.09. Sirius A. Diameter is 2,400,000 km. Solar radii is 1.7. Pollux. Diameter is 12,200,000 km. Solar radii is 9. Arcturus. Diameter is 35,300,000 km. Solar radii is 25. Aldebaran. Diameter is 61,400,000 km. Solar radii is 45. Rigel. Diameter is 109,780,000 km. Solar radii is 79. The next stars are larger than Earth's orbit and will engulf it. We move to dwarf planet Pluto. Moving to Pluto. Diameter is 1,391,000 km. Solar radii is 1. Pistol star. Diameter is 580 million km. Solar radii is 420. Betelgeuse. Diameter is 1,200,000,000 km. Solar radii is 700. Vy Canis Majoris. Diameter is 1,970,000,000 km. Solar radii is 1420. Uy Scuti. Diameter is 2,380,000,000 km. Solar radii is 1708. Stephenson 2-18. Diameter is 3 billion km. Solar radii is 2050.